Alright guys, so I am doing a little video on a 40% keyboard called the Dimple, made by LazyDesigners. They have a few notable keyboards they've made: the 60, the 40, the Duo 40, the 50. The 60 is actually a pretty good design. Right here is a nice looking 60% keyboard. Nice brass weight. Pretty good looking board. Then the 50, it's a 40% keyboard with a numpad. And so we'll go to the Dimple, which is the one I got right here. It's a 40% keyboard. It's tray mount, which isn't the best, but it's a good keyboard for people who like just getting into small boards. It has hot swap, brass plate, RGB for people who like that. And it came in a few different colors. The one I got is silver, and it's actually a nice little keyboard. It's very easy to assemble. Jackie, the owner, LazyDesigners, he sends a lot of extras. He sent like a whole sheet of stickers, extra LEDs if needed, extra feet, all kinds of little extras in the bag just in case. Right here you can see feet, LEDs, switch puller. The brass plate's really nice. The PCB is really nice. So I'll just kind of show you this about it right here. It's fairly cheap. It was like $140 in the group buy, which is really cheap for a custom keyboard. It's very simple, it's light, easy to carry around. So I'll go on full screen and kind of show you the keyboard. So we can kind of see the keyboard right here. I just have some XDA keycaps on it. There's the back. You can see Dimple on it. USB side, little slant to it. It's happy hacking keyboard style. God, that was a tongue twister. And yeah, it's a pretty nice. I built mine with 68 gram Zealios. With it, lubed them, filmed them, yada yada yada. It feels pretty good. It's tray mount. But still, it's really nice for a tray mount. It has a lot of mounting on it, so it's a pretty even typing experience compared to some. But the main thing I was wanting to show you before I do the typing is how many RGB settings there are in there. So let's get into that. Alright, so we will get into how many RGB settings there are. The monitor's kind of messing up the light on this. Let me go to something darker on the monitor. And the webcam on music's pretty crappy. But yeah, let's get started. Let's go through a bunch. There's so many. Little that. Reverse, faster. Reverse, slow. Like Christmas. More colors, more colors. Colors, more colors, more colors. They move around, they switch. All kind of like rave stuff. Really crazy looking stuff. There's so many different settings. It's insane. There we go. Back in the beginning. It's crazy. I mean, I like that if you're into, all the RGB settings, it's pretty sweet. I mean, if you're into all that, I just usually keep it on something fairly simple. But yeah, it's really nice how many settings it has. And so we'll end off with the typing sound.